Good morning, Maiya and Nyla, sisters. A lot of people find this unusual that a cat and a parrot get along, but Nyla and Maiya are raised together, and along with my other cat, Nissa. So it's funny because both cats are the predators and they all want to always look out the window and get to the birds, but with Maiya, they think she's just another cat. So they have a wonderful relationship. You know, Maiya obviously is safe around cats. Maiya, are you playing with your sister? What a pretty bird. Good morning. Maiya, say good morning.